Hey guys, today let's take a look at how easy it is to upload multiple JPEG images and convert them to a PDF document, straight from your web browser, using DeftPDF's web-based platform. First, from the DeftPDF.com homepage, we click All Tools and select JPEG to PDF. From here, we can select one or more documents by holding the Control key and clicking the ones that we want to upload. Reorder as needed. Don't worry if you miss one. You can add more files later. Select your page size, orientation, and margins, and you're ready to click Convert. Now, just save or share to the location or service of your choice. Be amazed by all the things you can do with a PDF straight from your browser at DeftPDF.com.